It's time for today's Due North Insider. Brought to you by DSG and BRK, your partner in fire safety since 1958.
Boating season is here, and today we're with our friends from Premier Pontoons in Big Lake, Minnesota. We have 6 launch tips for you to ensure that you have a flawless launch and a safe day on the water. First things first, if you have a drain plug, double check that it's in and tight. Let's verify that we have all safety equipment on board. This includes life jackets, a throwable cushion, fire extinguisher, and safety horn. It's the law to have these items on board and accessible. If you're boating with a group, one thing I like to do is lay the life jackets on the seat before launch. This way I know everyone has a life jacket and it's the right size. Again, this is the law. Since we're already on board, let's make sure the battery cutoff switch is turned on and test the navigation lights, the horn, and electronics. Another thing I like to do just prior to launch is attach my dock lines and fenders. This way the lines and fenders are ready when the pontoon floats free from the trailer. Once you're at the boat ramp, you'll want to remove the tie-down straps. As a courtesy to other boaters, do this while you're in the parking lot, not while you're using the ramp. Remove all the straps except for the bow strap. You'll want to leave that one until the boat is in the water, especially if you're by yourself. Finally, just before you back down the ramp, do one final walk around. And if you're with friends, select a designated spotter. This will be the person who handles the dock lines once the pontoon is floating. That's it. 6 quick steps and you're ready for a day on the water.